the trip. Gates open, they're up and racing. Bay Area Babe draws for your lead. Honor Rush in second. Running by the rail is Lean Grand Story Melodious. Ako ang boss. And Supervise is running at the tail of the field. About to pass the last 800. Bay Area Babe followed now by Lean Grand Story. Honor Rush is on the outside. Melodious racing in fourth. Then followed by Ako ang boss. Honor Rush and rather number 4 Supervise running at the tail of the field as they race the last 450. Bay Area Babe, Lean Grand Stories in second. Moving up is Melodious. Honor Rush is running by the rail. Ako ang boss, Supervise. And down the stretch they come. Bay Area Babe, Honor Rush moving up by the rail. Lean Grand Story is on the outside. We have Bay Area Babe, Honor Rush, Lean Grand Story. Bay Area Babe, Lean Grand Story, and finally at the finish line, Bay Area Babe, Lean Grand Story on a rush close between Melodious, Ako ang boss, and Supervise.